Hi, I'm ReAnn Gonzalez with Edge Home Finance, and today we are talking about what are the differences between down payment and closing costs. Okay, so now let's get into it. When it comes to buying a home, understanding the differences between a mortgage down payment and closing costs can save you a lot of confusion. A down payment is the upfront payment made by a buyer towards the purchase price. This amount is usually given as a percentage of the home's purchase price and depends on the type of loan you are obtaining. For example, if you are a first-time home buyer and looking to put a minimum down payment on a conventional loan, then 3% is all that is needed, or 5% minimum if you have owned a home in the last 3 years. An FHA loan requires a minimum of 3.5% down payment. Most loan programs have a minimum down payment amount except VA and USDA, which are both zero down. So let's say you have found a home for $200,000 and you are looking at FHA financing. Then your down payment is $200,000 times 3.5%, which equals $7,000. What is the purpose of a down payment? Statistics show that homeowners who invest or put more money down on the purchase of a property are less likely to default on their mortgages. And if the lender has to foreclose and sell the property, it's not on the hook for the entire purchase price, which can limit their potential losses. Budgeting for a home purchase is more than just accounting for your down payment. As a buyer, you'll also be responsible for a range of fees that cover services and ensure a smooth transaction. Some fees are related to the property itself, while others are required to close and fund your loan. What are closing costs? Closing costs are fees associated with your home purchase. Some are paid to your lender and others to third parties. These fees can include appraisal fees, title search fees, legal fees, and other charges related to processing and closing the loan. There are various types of closing costs, with most being paid by the buyer, but some being paid by the seller. These are negotiable on your contract. It is important to budget for both the down payment and closing costs when planning to purchase a home. How much are closing costs? Closing costs are typically between 2 to 5% of the home's purchase price. A lot of factors impact how much you'll pay in closing costs. It depends on your loan program, size of the loan, and individual lender practices. When are closing costs due? Most closing costs are due on the day of closing, which is the point in time when the title of the property is transferred from the seller to the buyer. Money is typically wired to the title company, or the buyer will bring a cashier's check to the closing table. However, there are some closing costs paid before closing day, such as inspections, appraisal, and/or land surveys. Buyer closing costs are a combination of one-time fees and the initial installments of recurring costs you'll pay alongside your mortgage every month. An example of a recurring cost is your homeowner's insurance premium. You'll likely pay your first year's premium at closing. Then in future years, it will be paid either out of pocket or via an escrow account, which is an account you add funds to every month. Let's go over some closing cost examples. One-time fees are the loan origination fee, the loan discount fee, lender's underwriting fee, appraisal fee, application fee, credit report, processing fee, attorney fee, lender's title policy, owner's title policy, escrow fee, a courier fee, recording fee, notary fee, homeowners association transfer fees. Recurring fees are your homeowner's insurance, your property taxes and tax service fees, and mortgage insurance for down payments less than 20% of purchase price. And if the property is in a flood zone, you'll have flood insurance. I hope you found this information helpful. If you know of anyone who needs help with a mortgage, please share my YouTube channel with them, as my goal is to help as many people as I can achieve the American dream of homeownership. Lastly, if you have any questions and want to chat about your situation, please feel free to reach out to me at 915-478-1157 or apply at my link listed below. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.